Okay, student, welcome back. As always, go to my website, Mr.Velez Virtual Music. Just Google it. It's gonna take you there. Today we're gonna do the Lion Sleep Tonight. So, it's in the key of F, and it's just three chords. So F is F A C, B flat is B flat, D and F, and then repeat F, and then C will be C E G. So this is the order of the most of the song. So let's open here. It's gonna take you to the aQWERTYon program keyboard with the YouTube video, the original one. Let's practice first. So you need to practice F, F A C. I'm doing it with my left, but if I do it with my right, F A C. Your choice. Remember, there's plenty of F, plenty of option. I'm trying to do simple, okay? So remember, it's in the key of F, so the root need to be in F because this is a song in F. Need to be all major, and then we're ready to go. So it will be F first, B flat is chord number 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, in this shape, you can play, hold the chord with this shape. That's why I lost so much with my left. Although, get used to it, your right too. It's not hard, just leave one other note empty. See? Let's do it with my left. So it will be F, B flat number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go to F again. And then I'm gonna go to chord 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is C. So if I go again and I check the letters of my keyboard, is C, A, Q. B flat is V, F, R. F again, C, A, Q. And the C chord will be B, G, T. I think I can play the song, the entire song like that. I'm gonna skip the song a little bit up. Then number 20, I can stop. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Let's learn the order. Okay? It's the same order all the time. F, B flat, F, and C. And that's all. I hope this was helpful. Give it a try, practice, and get used to, and give it a like, as always. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.